Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sai. This is December weekly reading from December 14 to December 20th. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's Sai. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Some of you are dealing with Pisces or Leo. Under the deck, Six of Cups, the Tower, King of Wands, and the Star. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius, Capricorn. Two of Swords. I think you are at some crossroads, Capricorn. Maybe you have to make some choice or you have to make some decision, but you have no clarity here. That's why you are at some crossroads. Or for some, you are trying to balance things in your life. The Star. Maybe you are hoping something. You are wishing for something here. Yeah, for some, definitely your wishes are going to be granted. There is wish fulfillment for you. But Tower with Six of Cups, definitely you are going through a lot emotionally. You are thinking about someone or something. Six of Cups, definitely you are thinking about a lot someone. And King of Wands, so you want to take your power back. You are trying to come out of this Tower energy. Maybe you have some past baggage, still you are carrying your past baggage, thinking about someone a lot. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Sun, Five of Swords and Nine of Swords. Maybe someone backstabbed on you or cheated on you, lied to you. It disturbs you a lot. In recent past, Nine of Swords, lot of overthinking was going. Especially at night times, you are unable to sleep. You had disturbing sleep patterns, but you are trying to come out of this energy at the Sun. Yes, you tried so well. Maybe some of you already came out, but not completely. You are trying. Then present Eight of Swords, Eight of Wands, and Knight of Wands. So you want to focus on your goal. So you shifted your energy into Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords to Eight of Wands. Yeah, you are completely coming out of this Nine of Swords and Eight of Swords energy. Yeah, sometimes you are feeling stuck, but finally you are shifting your energy. Things are changing for you very fastly, and you are focusing on your goal, and you want to reach your goal, and you are very passionate towards your goals. And for someone, someone from past is coming back to you, or a brand new person is coming into your life with a lot of passion. Then future, Three of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Moon. So a lot of illusions, lot of trust issues between you and your person. Definitely third party involved here. So breakup, or lots of you are in separation or no contact. You will be in this energy in future. A lot of trust issues, third party involved here. Yeah. Maybe someone is very dishonest with you, Capricorn, in future. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Ten of Wands with Five of Cups. Maybe your person have so many responsibilities in their life. They're doing a lot of work, but they are missing you a lot, Five of Cups. And they want to say apology to you. Yeah, they're missing you. So let's see the current feelings and intentions. Some of you are dealing with another Capricorn. Their intentions. Eight of Swords with the World and the Nine of Swords with Ace of Wands and the Moon. They want passionate new beginnings here. This person have a lot of passion and attraction towards you. Yeah, right now they're missing you, they're thinking about you a lot. They're losing their nights over you, Capricorn. And they want reconciliation here and they are stuck on you. Eight of Swords. They can't let you go. You are on their mind 24/7. They are stuck on you. And their current feelings, Devil, Five of Wands and Eight of Cups. If they walked away in recent past, now they have regrets. Lot of drama is going here. They're obsessed with you. So if they walked away, now they're feeling guilty or regret, but they want you back here. They're obsessed with you. I think still you both have attraction between each other. And their intentions, Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So there is apology or text or communication is coming. Yes, they're going to be communicate with you. And they want to offer their cup of love to you, Queen of Cups. Yes, they do have feelings for you. Yeah, there is apology is coming. For some kids also involved in this connection. I think your person is immature. I am getting player energy always in and out of your life. So be careful with your person. So because devil is a dark energy, for some it could be toxic also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings. Yeah. So Seven of Swords, something is sneaky in this relationship. It could be your person or their behavior or they did something secretly here. But they want new beginnings and they're waiting for change and they're ready to offer 10 of Pentacles. I think they realize their mistake. That's why they're coming back with an apology. But again, I am saying if your person is toxic and if you know it, so there is no point to give another chance to this person. If your person is honest but did something mistake, then it's okay. So it's up to you. Because Seven of Swords with Devil, definitely something is not toxic and something is sneaky. I think you're choosing yourself and you want to focus on yourself here. You're taking care of yourself, you and your well-being, because Ace of Cups with Six of Swords. So you want peaceful environment and you want peaceful life. I think you are moving towards calm waters and you are loving yourself. And some maybe you are dealing with Taurus here and you are holding back here, but still there is love. Maybe for some a brand new person is entering in your life. Maybe that person could be your soulmate. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Capricorn. Okay. For some, you both have age difference. They're spying you, they're watching you, there is communication is coming. But you're taking your power back here, but you both do have feelings for you, but you are not showing. This time you are choosing yourself instead of this person, but they're coming and they want second chance, they want reconciliation here, and patience is the key. Maybe your person patiently waiting for you, or they want to patiently waiting for you. Even though you rejected their offer, they will wait for you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I want one more card here. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings. For some, maybe it will take some time. There will be new beginnings. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. They want to take leap of faith. But they did hurt you very badly in recent past. Text is coming. So that's why you're taking your power back here, Capricorn. Second chance. Yes, they're coming back for second chance. And I'm feeling sad without you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. Maybe some of you are dealing with Taurus. Take time to breathe out, and the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Maybe some of you are dealing with Gemini. So this is a reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.